What's up, everybody? Welcome in. Thank you for being here. Thank you for tuning in to my channel, Pieces of April. Today I am doing a twist out. I did flat twist on my hair and I bantu knotted them. That's why it's a little curly like that at the ends. And I am just taking them down. I put coconut oil on my fingertips and I am slowly taking down the twist as I go. And the dog is barking in the background. You know, it wouldn't be a video if a dog wasn't barking in the background. So let's speed this thing up, y'all. So I'm just speeding the video up so for time's sake. But I am slowly taking down each twist carefully to reduce frizz. Still gonna get a little frizz because I should have moisturized the ends first before I took them down. But I was in a hurry and I had somewhere to go, so I took them down without doing that, but that's a very important step. Make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe. And I know you guys probably watched the braid out, the lazy girl braid out video. Like I said in that video, I prefer twist outs over braid outs. I don't know, I think because I trained my hair when I first started with twist outs, and twist outs are just easier for me to do. It doesn't take as long as braiding my hair. So I really prefer to twist out, and I just think it gives me nice cute little ringlets. This isn't my best twist out, but it's not my worst twist out, okay? So I'm just showing you guys what I do and what works for me. Yeah, it does take time to do this, especially if you want to prevent frizz. So you just have to take your time and slowly take down each twist, and you can separate them. I didn't separate my hair that much with this because I knew I was gonna twist it back up. So I didn't do a whole lot of fluffing with the pick. Here you can see the parts where I did the flat twist. If I went through with a pick, I could separate that more and hide those parts, but I didn't want to do that because I was going to retwist it later on at night when I went to bed. So I just left it like that, and it helps prevent frizz too. But if you want a big, full kind of fro, you would go in with a pick at the scalp and just tease the roots, and that would make it bigger. Okay, y'all, that is my twist out. You know what was really bugging me about this is my ends are a little frizzy, but like I said before, I should have moisturized them. But it still looks really good. And the really, really important thing about a braid out or a twist out is to do this on clean hair. So I would do this after wash day, wash, deep condition, and then twist your hair up. Let it dry for a couple of days in those twists or braids, and then take it down. And yeah, it gives it a really fluffy, light look, and I love it. I love the twist out. Thank you guys for watching. Until next time, keep grinding, keep shining, good people.